How to pack a car for shipping. Packing a car for shipping is an essential step to ensure that your vehicle and any items inside arrive safely at their destination. Proper preparation and packing can prevent damage during transit and help streamline the process. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to pack your car for shipping, covering everything from cleaning and securing personal items to dealing with documentation and working with your transport company. Steps to pack your car for shipping. 1. Clean your car. Overview. Cleaning your car, both inside and out, is crucial for inspection purposes and to ensure it arrives in the same condition. Steps exterior. Wash the exterior thoroughly to remove dirt, dust, and grime. This will help you spot any pre-existing damage. Interior. Vacuum the interior and remove any trash or loose items. 2. Remove personal items. Overview. Transport companies are not responsible for personal items left in the car. Removing these items reduces the risk of theft and prevents extra weight. Steps. Interior. Remove all personal belongings, including electronics, documents, and loose items. Trunk. Clear out the trunk, leaving only essential items like the spare tire and basic tools. Glove compartment. Empty the glove compartment of any personal documents or items. 3. Document the condition. Overview. Documenting your car's condition helps protect you in case of any damage during transit. Steps. Photos. Take high-quality photos of your car from multiple angles, including close-ups of any existing damage. Notes. Make detailed notes about the car's condition, including any mechanical issues or cosmetic flaws. 4. Secure or remove loose parts. Overview. Securing or removing loose parts prevents them from getting damaged or causing damage during transit. Steps. Antenna. Retract or remove the antenna. Spoilers and custom parts. Secure or remove any aftermarket parts such as spoilers, roof racks, or custom accessories. Convertible tops. Ensure the top is securely fastened to prevent damage from wind or debris. 5. Disable alarm systems. Overview. Disabling the alarm system prevents it from being triggered during transport, which can be a nuisance for the transport driver. Steps. Disable alarms. Turn off or disable any alarm systems. If you cannot disable the alarm, provide the transport company with detailed instructions on how to deactivate it. 6. Check for leaks and mechanical issues. Overview. Ensuring your car is in good mechanical condition helps prevent issues during loading, unloading, and transit. Steps. Fluid levels. Check and top off all fluids, including oil, coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid. Leaks. Inspect your car for any leaks and repair them before transport. Battery. Ensure the battery is fully charged and in good condition. Tires. Check the tire pressure and inflate them to the recommended levels. Ensure the tires are in good condition with adequate tread. 7. Reduce fuel level. Overview. Reducing the fuel level decreases the weight and potential hazards during transport. Steps. Fuel level. Keep the fuel tank to about 1/4 full. This is enough for loading and unloading, but minimizes the weight of the car. 8. Check documentation. Overview. Having the necessary documentation in order helps facilitate a smooth transport process and can be important for insurance and legal purposes. Steps. Registration and insurance. Ensure your car's registration and insurance are up to date. Transport documents. Review and keep copies of all transport-related documents, including the bill of lading and any inspection reports. 9. Inform the transport company of special instructions. Overview. Communicating any special instructions to the transport company ensures they handle your car according to your preferences. Steps. Specific instructions. Provide the transport company with any specific instructions, such as how to handle the alarm system or any custom parts. Emergency contact. Give the transport company an emergency contact number in case they need to reach you during transit. Additional tips for packing your car for shipping. 1. Plan ahead. Tip. Start preparing your car well in advance of the pickup date to ensure you have enough time to address any issues and gather necessary documentation. 2. Maintain communication. Tip. Keep in touch with your transport company throughout the process. confirm pickup and delivery dates, and provide them with any necessary updates. 3. Know what to expect. Tip: familiarize yourself with the transport process, including the expected timeline, pickup and delivery procedures, and any potential challenges that may arise. Why choose Route Runners Auto Transport? Route Runners Auto Transport is dedicated to providing reliable and professional car transport services. Here's why we are the best choice for your car transport needs. 1. Extensive experience. With years of experience in the industry, we have the expertise to handle all types of car transport scenarios, ensuring your vehicle is transported safely and efficiently. Second, comprehensive services. We offer a range of services to meet your specific needs, including open transport, cost-effective and widely available. Enclosed transport, maximum protection for high-value vehicles. Expedited shipping, for urgent transport needs. Door-to-door service, convenient pickup and delivery at locations specified by you. 3. Transparent pricing. Our transparent pricing model ensures no hidden fees or surprises. We provide detailed quotes that outline all costs associated with the transport, allowing you to budget effectively. 4th, exceptional customer service. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we prioritize customer satisfaction. Our dedicated support team is available to assist you at every stage of the transport process. We provide clear communication, regular updates, and tracking options to keep you informed about your vehicle's status. 5. Safety and security. We prioritize the safety and security of your vehicle during transport. Our professional drivers are highly trained, and we use the latest transport equipment to ensure your car is handled with the utmost care. Conclusion: packing your car for shipping involves several important steps, including cleaning and inspecting your vehicle, removing personal items, securing loose parts, disabling alarm systems, checking for leaks and mechanical issues, reducing the fuel level, and ensuring you have the necessary documentation. Proper preparation helps ensure a smooth and safe transport process, minimizing the risk of damage and facilitating a timely delivery. At Route Runners Auto Transport, we specialize in providing reliable and efficient car transport services tailored to meet your specific needs. Contact us today at 888-424-4420 or visit our website for a free quote. Trust Route Runners Auto Transport to deliver your vehicle safely and efficiently, and experience the peace of mind that comes with working with the best in the industry.